building a robust digital thread to connect design engineering, manufacturing engineering, quality engineering, and production, while effectively managing changes in configured product structures. As part of the engineering change notice workflow, the manufacturing engineer reviews the design changes, identifies the impacted manufacturing work packages, and creates manufacturing change notification. EasyPlan, a role-based process planning solution, delivers key capabilities with industry best practices to support and execute manufacturing planning. EasyPlan guides you through the manufacturing BOM creation and update process and increases collaboration between the stakeholders. In order to introduce EBOM changes, the manufacturing engineer revises the manufacturing assembly and modifies the EBOM with the latest design changes. EasyPlan identifies effectivity inconsistencies and allows the user to easily adjust EBOM effectivity. EasyPlan assists the user to reconcile the EBOM and EBOM by providing visualization of both structures and changes indication. EasyPlan ensures all engineering BOM changes are reflected in the updated manufacturing BOM. As part of the manufacturing change notice workflow, the manufacturing engineer reviews the EBOM changes and can update the impacted process plans. EasyPlan offers an MCN tracking mode to associate process changes to a specific MCN. EasyPlan makes sure that process engineering data and knowledge are reused through process and tooling libraries. A manufacturing engineer can use EasyPlan to define and validate manufacturing process plans based on a manufacturing BOM. The bill of process and work instructions are defined and managed, providing seamless data flow from product design to the shop floor. The manufacturing engineer updates operations with latest product data and enriches the bill of process with tools from the tools library managed in Team Center. The manufacturing engineer can leverage the Managed Documents library to update the referenced process plan documents. Line Designer is used to lay out the facility and work areas, define the bill of equipment, and uses the same process planning datasets. In this example, the layout engineer handles the increased weight of the winglet by adding a crane to the relevant work area. As part of the manufacturing change notice workflow, the manufacturing planner reviews the process plan changes and can update the impacted work instructions. The updated bill of equipment and layout changes are reflected in the work instructions authoring environment. The digital thread includes PMI data, and EasyPlan enables you to assign PMIs to assembly and quality inspection operations. These PMI, which were defined by the product designer, include manufacturing-related data and therefore will be part of the visual aids. EasyPlan provides a textual work instructions editor that enables you to connect detailed instructions information with the visual aid assets. This guides the user by providing the relevant product and tooling for each operation. The system indicates which 3D product views are impacted by the EBOM and process changes. A rich 3D visualization environment enables you to interrogate product and PMI data and capture live 3D views, which will be part of the electronic work instructions. The updated 3D product views can be leveraged in the work instructions authoring environment. Process Simulate is used to simulate and validate assembly processes and leverages the process data defined by the manufacturing engineer. In this example, the simulation engineer uses Process Simulate to validate feasibility of the manual winglet assembly to the wing. Shop floor operators use the electronic work instructions, which include the latest assembly information and visual aids created by all stakeholders.